Mommy, wake up!
Cree.
Wake up! It's morning!
Man, even on the weekends, we don't sleep in. But you know what? That is okay, because one of the best things about the weekends is treating yourself. This one loves food, and he loves breakfast.
Wait,
so,
we're making breakfast?
we are gonna be making breakfast, but breakfast in bed.
My dreams came true.
Hey, are you filming this? Hey, this is how it is at our house, right, Cree? Just noise.
We like have a party.
We have a party. I remember you were doing the Macarena the other day.
Oh yeah.
I used to do that when I was a kid.
Yeah, it's like me and my friends were like, one Maca
Quick Fixers, this is really important, okay? Over here at Quick Fix, we are all about community, and we are all about our community growing, right? So I cannot do this on my own. What do we need to do, Cree? I need your help.
Like and subscribe and share this video with others.
Yes! Share this video with your friends, your family, your brother.
mom, your grandpa, your cousins, your dog,
I was just about to say your
your
pet.
cat, anything.
And also, click the bell, right?
For notifications so you can see all latest of Tia Morty's Quick.
Hey! High five! All right, so I need a few minutes of calm before we get started. Cree, what am I gonna ask you to do? You guys, he does not like doing this. I have to tell him like 10 times out of the day. To do what?
Brush my teeth.
Thank you. All right, see you in a minute.
Bye-bye.
Cree,
Yeah.
my darling Cree, you will always be my son, my baby boy. Well,
Technically, I'm not a baby.
no, you're not a baby anymore. I can't believe y'all, look at how tall he's getting. I remember when Cree was on Mowry's Quick Fix.
I'm taller than you.
No, Cree.
What?
No,
What?
y'all, he's on his tippy toes right now.
I'm not.
But
You
I
can't
remember
even see.
Cree's first introduction to Mowry's Quick Fix
Cutting
was when,
hair.
no, Cree, no.
It
It wasn't when, no, it was me doing your hair. When your hair was really, really
I
long.
watched that video.
Yeah, Cree
I
is
had
a,
a car shirt on.
wow, I can't believe you remember that.
Yeah.
But Cree is a huge fan, y'all, of Tia Mowry's Quick Fix. So I'm so happy to have you,
You know
in the kitchen
I
with
have
me.
two.
Okay, so I know that this happens to be one of your favorite recipes, right? We got French toast, and we have this really nice and savory cheese toast. I know that you like sweet, right? So I'm gonna have you start with the sweet French toast. Go ahead, crack the egg, and while you work on the sweet, again, I'm gonna be working on the savory. I have an egg here.
Yo,
Do you need some help? Here, I'll crack it for you and then you can open it.
no.
Cree,
It's fine. We got it. You just work on your thing. I'm fine. Got a crack.
just crack it on the harder surface, see?
Oh.
So there you go, just like that. So next you're gonna add all of that cinnamon in there, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna add this garlic powder,
Mine's sweet and yours is
savory.
savory.
Add a splash of oat milk into yours, and you know, you could use any milk you want, just like a splash. Yes, you love oat milk. I'm adding a little bit of salt, some pepper, and then I'm gonna add some cheese,
Whoa.
right? For that savory.
Cheese in mine.
Cree, you can't put cheese in the sweet. You're gonna add a splash of maple syrup. So remember, we're gonna mix all of this together. Okay, so you see how there's a little bit of that white?
Yeah.
So we wanna get rid of that.
I don't want to do it because I don't want to splash on my shirt.
Yeah. Ow. This looks amazing. Okay, so we'll just put this right here.
Because I'm
Okay.
on the sweet side.
You're on the sweet side, and you are so sweet and cute. Okay, so
Now
next,
put the bread in there.
yes,
Then flip it over.
You know exactly what to do.
I
So,
watch omelet videos of them cooking omelets, so it's basically like this.
well, so you're just gonna go ahead and you're gonna soak the bread with this egg mixture, but you don't wanna soak it too much, okay? Because we don't want the piece of bread to fall apart. And then you could just use your fork to flip it over. There you go.
Oh, this bread is not falling apart on my lunch.
I'm gonna go ahead and put my slice of bread on top of this baking sheet that I have that I've lined with parchment paper and sprayed with cooking spray. And instead of soaking mine, I am just going to just pour a little bit of the mixture onto the toast, just like that. This over.
All right,
Go. Boom! Can you tell me what we're doing here, right? We're putting our toast on a baking sheet instead of cooking it on the stove, right?
So it can bake in the oven?
So we are gonna put this in the oven. It's going to bake in the oven. And the reason why Mommy likes doing this is because you can make more at one time.
Oh yeah, because if you're cooking it, it's like you can only feel like 2.
At a time, or
2
one at a time.
But you can feel like 6 or 7.
And usually when Mommy does that, like when she's making French toast or pancakes or whatever at the stove, who always gets to eat last? Or who's at the table last?
Oh, Dad.
Well, no, who's...
Oh, you.
Yeah.
Because you're always...
Yeah, I'm the one that's making and flipping and doing all of that. So this is a great way that the whole family can eat together. See, there's always a method to my madness.
True.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a slice of tomato, whatever you wanna call it. And then Mommy's gonna add oregano on top. You know how much we love oregano. Look how this smells. I'm telling you guys, I love cooking with children because they're so honest.
Oh, can I make another one?
It's pretty. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, we're making more.
Yeah.
Come on, let's do this. What are my hopes and dreams for
Say
you?
it. Say the #1 thing I wanted for a year. I worked so hard during the summer, and right
I'm
now
scared I
to
asked this question.
day,
What?
if you get this wrong, I'm gonna be a little disappointed.
What was the question that you were gonna ask Mommy?
What is the place I want to go to when I'm 20 years old?
The place that you want to go to when you're 20 years old is
get-
either, hold on, is either Japan
What?
or Dubai. Dubai. 20 years.
Going somewhere for my career to start.
Oh, that's what you mean, the NBA.
Thank you.
Of course, I would not get that wrong, boo-boo.
I want to be the All-Star. I want to be Rookie of the Year.
Claim it.
And after that,
Claim it.
I'm just gonna
Claim it.
buy the most expensive Pokemon card.
That's
Which is-
why you want to be in the NBA.
No.
So yes, my dream for Cree is for him to be happy. You know what I mean? Like
Which is the
whatever,
NBA.
which is the NBA, but whatever he wants to do that makes him happy and that puts a smile on his face, those are my hopes and dreams, really.
My hopes and dreams for you are
Aw, oh my gosh, see, this is why I love my son. What is it?
to have 50 things in Target.
Oh, I know what you mean.
More products.
He wants me to continue to expand my
Answer.
my brand. Yeah, because I have Answer in
Tortilla.
Target. I have Quick Fix Kitchen, the cookbook in Target. Yeah. Thank you. So your hopes and dreams for me is to expand my brand. That's so sweet, Cree. Thank you so much.
Oh yeah, you're welcome.
This looks amazing, right?
Yeah.
Our toast looks fantastic. We are gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes.
What?
Yes, for
350 degrees.
Yes, because we want this to get nice and toasty. This is toast.
That-
At 10 minutes, we are gonna flip our French toast over so both sides can toast up really nicely, okay? How you know that the cheese toast is just the way you like it is the cheese has nicely melted. And whenever I say cheese on T. Mowry's Quick Fix, what do I do? Whenever I say cheese on T. Mowry's Quick Fix, what do I do? Cheese. Really, Cree?
Oh.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Glorious cheese. And I'm off.
Mom, but 350 degrees, that's just hot.
That is very hot, so be careful. You feel the heat?
Ah.
Yes. Okay, are you ready to do a magic trick?
Yes.
Okay, so on 3, we're gonna clap, okay? And
Clap.
once we clap, we're gonna have all of our smoothie ingredients right in front of us, and we're gonna make our smoothie bowl.
So it's gonna be magic?
It's magic on 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
Magic.
Magic. All right, so we have everything we need right here in front of us to make our smoothie bowl.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first thing we have right here.
Yeah, pour that into there.
We're gonna pour some hot water into this bowl. And in this bowl, we have quick oats. And you said, why do I use quick oats?
Because your channel's called Quick Fix.
Hey,
That's why you were searching it up on social media. You're
hey.
like, what oat searches? What oat starts with quick?
So we have some boiling hot water here, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it in there, and we're just gonna let that sit for a minute.
It's like making oatmeal.
Yes, and you love oatmeal for breakfast.
I actually eat the same kind.
Yep. So I have a food processor here, and I'm just gonna start dumping in some ingredients. You wanna help me, Cree?
Yeah.
So we have some
dump the
frozen
bananas?
strawberries right here. Yep, go ahead, dump in the bananas.
Oh, they're frozen. That's why they're
Yes.
sticking on the
So you don't have to use a sunflower butter or a nut butter if you don't want to, but why I like using it is because it just makes that smoothie bowl really nice and creamy. Creamy! Yes.
Wow, we said it at the same time.
We did, Cree. We're like twins. A lot of people, they call us twins.
Because we are.
Well, we're not necessarily twins, but
Okay, I did not plan that.
I know, I didn't plan it either.
We're like a pizza, but like the pizza, if we're not like here, like me and you,
Okay.
the cheese won't be on the pizza.
What,
So it's basically
Cree?
like we're the cheese, and the pizza, they have the cheese,
so we're
right?
stuck together
Stuck
like
together.
glue.
Yeah.
So you're the cheese to my pizza. The
Yeah,
crust.
basically.
You're the cheese to my crust. I like that.
I do too.
Wow.
But Mom, you're kind of squeezing me too hard.
Thank you.
See how nicely the oats soaked up all that water? So we're ready. We're ready to put it into our food processor.
Can I do
Okay?
it?
Yeah, come on. Go ahead.
Put it in there.
Just like that. Okay, go ahead. Put it all in there.
Oh,
There we go.
can you do the rest?
Of course I can.
Okay.
No, you got it. Look at
Yeah,
you.
I'm fine.
You're fine. Good job. Make sure you get all of it because there's some at the top there. You got it? And then we're going to add a little bit of honey. Just a little bit honey.
No, not a little.
You want to add a lot? Maybe like right there. That's enough.
No, a little more.
A little one squirt.
No. How about?
No, that's enough, Cree.
I'll count to 3. Okay.
No, Cree, we've
2.
already put enough honey in here. We don't want it to be too
How
sweet
about
because
just one more? One drop. One more. Go. 1 centimeter.
there we go. No, Cree.
Okay.
No,
yeah,
we can't.
yeah,
let
it's
it
fine.
be-
It's
okay.
fine. It's fine.
That's perfect. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go ahead and
Yep,
pulse
put it over
away.
there.
Yep. Do you want to push the button? So hit low. And then hit high.
It's about to.
You can
looks-
dance.
Robot dance.
Robot, yeah.
Huh?
What kind of dance do you want to do? All right, Cree, this looks amazing, right? Okay, so now I need your help.
There that much?
No, the strawberry's gone. Oh, this smells so good. Look at how nice and smooth that looks. Just the way we like it.
Get
But
it?
I love that it's also really nice and thick. And the oats really helped with that, making this nice and thick. We're having breakfast in bed, right? So we don't want our smoothie to be,
Like, cut drippy, like it would drip on the bed.
yeah, we want it really nice and thick. And also, I like my smoothies nice and thick too. Now we are going to decorate it. This is like the fun part.
So I have to decorate it?
Yes, you can. So just go ahead and, put whatever fruit you like. We love berries at the house.
We actually do. I eat berries a lot.
Yes, so does Cairo.
Oh, Cairo, she like eats like too many.
And make sure you put some mint in there too. It'll look
yeah.
really nice and pretty. And I am gonna check on our toast. Okay, watch out because this is really hot. So Mommy's just gonna go ahead and place right there. Cree, this smells so good.
Why can I eat it?
We have to cut it up first. And remember, we're eating, we're having.
one just whole, just like
No,
whole and-
not yet. Patience is a virtue, young man. Okay, watch out. It's
Okay.
really hot coming through. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut them.
Into tiny strips.
Into tiny strips. Oh, you know what? While I cut them, can you fill up this ramekin with some maple syrup?
I love maple syrup.
I know you do. Not a lot, Cree, just a little, okay? Ah, that's perfect, that's perfect. Do you see how this is really nice and cute? It's finger food, right?
Yeah.
Perfect for breakfast in bed. All right, so go ahead and do that for Mommy. Can you finish putting these in there? And then Mommy's gonna start cutting up the savory toast, the cheese toast. Mmm. Oh, you guys, this smells so good.
You see
And
like the cheese like melting.
yes. Look at how awesome that looks. So tasty. Is it good? Oh, did you hear that crunch? It's nice and toasty. Let's just move this right over here. This looks amazing. Look at that, Cree. Look at how pretty and awesome this looks.
It's almost time for breakfast.
It is almost time for breakfast in bed. Are you ready? You ready to go?
Yep.
All right, let's do this. This looks amazing, right?
Yeah, it does.
Got it all
Turned
set
out
up.
amazing.
Huh?
Turned out amazing.
Yes. Let's toast first.
Oh.
Let's toast to
NBA.
what? See, I was gonna say something like bonding with your mom.
Okay.
Love,
Bonding.
peace, happiness. Did you say NBA? Oh, because you want to go in the NBA. Okay, we could toast to that too, but
Nah, this is bonding.
aw, toast to
Toast to
more.
bonding.
Yeah, toast to more.
bonding.
More great son and mommy breakfast in bed, right? Cheers.
Here.
Cheers. While Cree is snacking away, it is debate time. So you guys know I always come at you. In the comments, make sure you answer this question. Let me know. The question is, for breakfast, do you like savory or sweet? Cree, do you prefer sweet or savory?
I don't want to pick. It's too hard.
It's too hard. I know, but you see, we have to pick one. Just pick one. Let me see. I think I know what your answer is.
What?
Sweet.
What?
Cree, you know you love
Okay,
sweet.
fine. Yeah. You're right.
Really?
You're right.
Okay. I mean, you love French toast. You love pancakes, but you do love bacon and sausage too. But I mean, you can have pancakes and bacon and sausage, so you can have sweet and savory, or just sweet or just savory. Let me know in the comments, you guys. For me, I prefer savory. I just love savory breakfast, right?
High five.
Boom! All right, you guys, be sure to like
Like
this
and
video.
subscribe.
Yep, like, subscribe, hit that bell for notification of future episodes, and invite all of your friends to the Quick Fix